This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully cared for and update home west/a spacious great room floor plan including a large kitchen west/a gas range, stainless steel appliances, an island and a pantry flows into a nice living room and dining area with a slider to a patio and fenced side yard. Upstairs you will find a nice loft area, huge master suite west/a 10x9 closet and a master bath west/double sinks, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath and a nice laundry room with newer washer and dryer. Walk to large Comminity Park and Hogan Cedars Elementary. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.